Year, welcome back to a new video. Oh my goodness. So I didn't really know what to do today. So I was kind of thinking, well, we're over Christmas and I couldn't really think of anything else to do for New Year other than fireworks, which everyone seems to do all the time. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to go with a hot chocolate set because we're you know, I just said it, I think I'm repeating myself, but we're over Christmas, but we're not over winter yet. So, and I thought, you know what's nice to snuggle up with in the winter is a nice cup of hot chocolate. But if you don't like hot chocolate, this could also be coffee. I have done a coffee set before, which I'll try and link a card up the top, but go and check it out after you've watched this because, you know, just because. Anyway, back to the nails. I'm using Blingline hard gels to do this set. Now, normally you would prep your nail and you would apply your dehydrator, your primer, and then your super bond. But because I'm doing these on my flexi hand, I'm just going to go straight in with a colour. I know, a bit naughty, but, you know, I don't want to waste any product. Waste not, want not. Right, I've gone in. This is the ring finger. I'm using, this one's called Tessa. She's beautiful. She's a metallic brown. Now, I don't usually like brown colours, but I absolutely love her. She's gorgeous. So on here, right, I've put 2 coats on, but this second coat I haven't cured. Now, what I've done is the other colours that I had, so Marlene, which is the dark brown one, which I've got on the brush here. I'm going to do a marble basically. And I'm using Marlene, which is the dark brown. I have got Brook, which is a nude, and I have got Snow White, which is obviously a white colour. The brush that I'm using is the Nail Sugar Natalie Mugridge detail brush. This is going to be back in stock, I want to say next week, but I am going to just find out. I know it's going to be back. It's going to be back very, 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 very soon, but I don't want to get anyone's hopes up. But yeah, I'm going to check, and then next time I use it in my video, I will let you know when it's going to come back. But you can see I'm just running some of the colours through that uncured second layer of Tessa, and I went for a nude and I went for a white because some people like milk, a little bit of a splash of milk to cool their hot chocolate down, or a little bit of cream because it's a bit naughty. So I thought we'd use the white and the Brook, the nude, to, you know, just make it look like we've got a little bit of cream or milk running through our hot chocolate. Or your coffee. It could be a coffee, it could be a mocha, it could be a latte. Actually, it can't really, it could be. Anyway, shut up, Nats. Right. On this nail, this is the middle finger. This is the nail we're going to do the hot chocolate cup on. I have applied, this is Snow White. Now, this is the second coat. I thought I won't show me doing the first coat because I just thought it's just going to cut out some time on the video because the video is getting quite long. So this is the second coat of Snow White on the middle finger, and I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to use Brook. Can you see that I've got some on my palette? I'm going to use that colour to create the cup. Now, if I was going to do this again, I think I would have used Brook as the background colour and then used white for the cup colour. I think that's how I'd do it because there's just something about this nail that I'm not too sure about, but I think it's because I used the white background, and I'm going to put whipped cream on the top of this, and that's white as well. And I think there's just too much white on this nail, but you know, you live, you learn, don't you? I didn't want to do it all again. If you guys want to recreate it, just recreate it using different colours. Because I don't feel, I mean, it's not terrible. I just feel like I shouldn't have done white on the background. That's all I'm saying. Right, so I'm using Brook to draw out the outline of the cup. Well, not the outline of the cup, I'm filling it in as well. But because these aren't actually gel paints, it was a little bit patchy, so I went in and I done 2 coats of this, but I'm not going to show you me doing the second coat because it's exactly the same as the first coat. And each coat I will cure in my Blingline lamp for 30 seconds. By the way, all the Blingline stuff I'm using today are available from the Little Nail Shop, and I do have a 10% discount code NatMug10 if you want to give Blingline a try. I thoroughly recommend it. It's gorgeous. I love it. I'm going to use the Blingline black gel paint just to outline the cup. So this is after we've done our second layer and cured it. I just felt like it needed outlining a little bit. Now I wish I'd done these lines just a little bit thicker and made them, I don't know, there's just something about the cup that I'm not sure about, and I don't know what it is. And then I'm just going to go along the top here. Actually, you don't really have to worry too much about that, because I'm going to cure this first. And then along like the lip of the cup here, I'm going to put some of that Marlene, which is the dark brown, not Tessa the metallic one. Marlene is just the cream colour. And then I'm going to do some little blobby bits here as if it's sort of overflowed, but not quite. So this is your chocolate dribble. Oh dear. Yeah, so add a little chocolate dribble to your cup, pop it in the lamp and let it cure. And then I'm going to go over, oh no, not yet, hang on. This is the Angelic Dots right in here. They're really pretty actually. In here, you've got some really tiny metallic gold dots. I'm going to use those. You've got loads of different other shapes and colours of dots in those as well, but I specifically want the little gold metallic ones. Now, I'm going to put a very thin coat of the Cool One Step Gel in clear over the nail, because I'm going to pop the, I've forgotten what they're bloody called already, the dots. I'm going to pop the dot there. I tell you what, there were little bits of hairs and fibres everywhere while I was doing this set today. By the way, I've done this set today. I feel like I've neglected YouTube a bit this week. I was just going to have a full-on break from it and not do any videos until Monday next week, but I couldn't do it. So this is only going to be, this is my second video of the week. So, I mean, it's better than a kick up the bum, isn't it? And then obviously normal, everything will resume as of normal next week. So Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. So 4 videos again. Well, that's the plan anyway. Hopefully the kids are off school as well now, because their school has been shut. So they're not going back to school until the 18th of August, the 18th of January at the earliest, I believe. I think they're going to review it nearer the time. Anyway, enough about that. I'm just glad they're home and I know they're safe and not going to catch COVID. Oh, God. Anyway, shut up, Nats. Right, on the pinky, right, I cured those dots into place, by the way. They're not going to go anywhere. And then on the pinky, I've put 2 coats of Marlene, which is the cream brown. And then over that, I need to blow off. Oh gosh, I've got awful wind today. Sorry, not very ladylike, but that's just me. I'm using this glitter is absolutely gorgeous. It's called Halo. Now, this was actually a glitter that was created for the advent calendar last year. Not last year, the year before, because last year was only yesterday. And Karen has released it as a glitter because it's bloody gorgeous. So we're going to put that on this pinky. Now I'm going to go over, which you can see me doing here, with some Cool One Step Gel. And then what I do is I just literally pat the glitter into that uncured Cool One Step Gel. You can do this, and I have seen people do it before, especially on the Young Nails Neo Nail channel. What? The Young Nails Neo Nail channel? What the heck? Greg Sallow, I think I've seen do it, or Tracy Ryerson. They put the glitter into the gel and then mix it up. I don't like doing that because knowing me, I'd put too much gel on and then I'd just have this wasted gel. So I like to do it this way because then I know that I'm not going to waste any product unnecessarily. I mean, I'm sure they don't either. I mean, they'll probably be doing a whole set with that. Do you know what I mean? Whereas I'm just doing the one little nail. Anyway, shut up, carry on. I've cured that in the lamp. So that glitter is going to be cured into place like we did the metallic dots. Then this is the index finger. So this is the last finger. I'm just going to leave this plain. And, well, I say plain. We're going to leave it as a solid colour. So this colour that I've got here is Tessa, which is the metallic brown, which I absolutely love. If you want a brown or a metallic brown, I would say Tessa every time. There is another one. I want to say Kimmy, but I think I'm wrong. Anyway, there's another one that's more of a coppery brown, which is actually really nice as well. I can't think what that's called. It was in the autumn release. Oh, that one's really nice as well. Just saying. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over and cap all the nails with the Cool One Step Gel. I am not going to worry about I'm not going to worry about the structure too much, to be honest, because I am doing this on a flexi hand. It's not a real client. The nails don't have to have an apex or anything. I just want them to look hot, you know, I just want them to look sort of slightly decent. So there's not going to be much of an apex on them because I don't want to waste my product, because I'm finding that I'm going through the Cool One Step Gel pretty quick. Yeah, so I've filed and buffed them and I've given them a wipe, and then I'm going to use now the Wet Finish. This is a hard top coat, but it's a glossy one. So it's going to have a tacky layer when we cure it in the lamp. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the Blingline wipes and the Blingline cleanse, and basically what you do is you just leave it for a minute to cool down and then give it a good rub to get that dispersion layer off. And honestly, they're going to be super shiny. This is a really, really good wet finish top coat. So all the nails are going to be shiny. I was tempted to do this one matte, but I decided not to. I thought, you know what, we're going to go with shiny because I've got my new lights and I want you to see just how shiny the nails look really. I've got a thing at the moment again about, I go through phases. I really like matte nails, and then all of a sudden I'll decide actually I kind of like them glossy at the minute, and I think I'm going through a glossy stage, hence the glossy top coat. So this is going to be cured in the lamp for 60 seconds. This is the wipe with the cleanse on, obviously. So just give it a good rub until it squeaks like, and then you know you've done your job. And I'm just going to go across all the nails and do that, but I'm not going to show you me doing it on all of them because it's pretty bloody boring. Okay, so the last thing we need to do is we need to finish off the hot chocolate. So on top of the hot chocolate, we're going to need some whipped cream. So if you imagine if you imagine that poo emoji on your phone, we're going to do something similar to that. Now, or hang on, what else could we call these? I don't know. They're kind of like curves, but they've got a fat end and a pointed end. Now, you don't want them to touch if necessary. No, if you can, you want to leave a very slight gap between each of the little, they kind of almost look like commas, don't they? You know, and then I'm going to do another one this side. Now, this one I'm going to do a little bit more in than out. I'm really not making sense. Yeah, so this one's going to be smaller and more central. I think that makes sense. I just don't know anymore. And then the bit at the top, I've got out bloody shot. You'll see in a minute. It's sort of like a triangle, but it's got like a curved, it's a little bit curved. I don't know what you call it. So you just want it to sort of point like that. Boing. And then before you cure that, the glitter that I've got is called, excuse the state of my nails. Oh my God, they're awful at the moment. I need to sort them out. This glitter is called Glacial. So into that uncured white 3D gel from Blingline, I'm just tapping the glitter, I was going to say acrylic, the glitter in. Now that is going to stick into that uncured gel. I'm going to cure it now. And then we're going to have like, it looks a little bit like sugar. Just brush off the excess. I do just give the nail a bit of a clean up because there's glitter in the side walls. But that is the finished hot chocolate set. There's something about the cup that I'm not sure about. I don't know if it's the colour combo or anything. But anyway, this is the finished set. I'm just going to give you a better close-up now. In a minute, right now. There we go. Ta-da! I actually might go and get myself a hot chocolate. I think I could do with one of those now. Anyway, this is the finished set. I hope you like them. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. Massive Happy New Year to everyone. I really hope this one is better than the last. I can't see much changing though for the next few months, but we shall get there, I'm sure. Love you all. Thanks for watching, and I will see you beautiful lot next week. Yep, stay safe and goodbye.